Red, gray, black, white.
I don't have gray. I have silver.
Silver's fine. Gold would be fine.
You put all that makeup on and you're going to stand over there and not speak out loud.
Okay.
Wait, let me explain what we're doing. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My mom's teaching me how to do acrylic pours. Okay, go.
Resin.
Resin pours.
With
acrylic paint though, right?
It's a resin pour with acrylic paint in it, yes.
It's resin pour with acrylic paint.
There you go.
Oh, my gloves. Okay.
Want to explain what I did first?
I filmed it.
Oh, shit, you did. Okay.
The only part I didn't get was you spraying it with the paint, the white
So this is a
base thing.
12 by 24 canvas.
12 by 24?
Yeah, 12 by 24 inches. So I am going to mix the resin, and we need 10 ounces of resin. So it's going to be, you want to show art resin?
Yes. There.
So we're going to do 5 and 5. 5 of the hardener, 5 of the resin.
Mo. So you can't see what she's doing, but she's doing 5 ounces of hardener resin and 5 ounces of what, regular resin?
Well, it's hardener and resin.
Well, it says resin on it,
Yeah, one is resin and one is hardener.
but it says art resin.
Hardener and art resin.
Okay, whatever. And then you mix it for 3 minutes.
Okay.
Trump probably does crack cocaine.
Oh,
That escalated quickly.
Trump's got to be doing something to be good for this. Okay, I am putting the timer on.
Well, I started mixing it already.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
You have to mix it for at least 3 minutes. You got to make sure and scrape the sides and do the bottom. Just gonna clean this out because I just.
Okay, now what?
Is it clear?
Like not 100% clear. I can't see the bottom of the cup.
Let's see. Well, it might be full of bubbles because it's full.
Yeah,
of
it's
bubbles.
full of bubbles.
Oh, but it's easier to work with, hey?
I don't know.
It's not as hard.
Oh,
as
there's
it was.
bubbles coming out of there.
I know, and don't breathe them in because it's poison.
Oh shit. Okay.
So now what we're gonna do is mix our colors.
I already got it all on my fingers.
I know. It's messy. That's why you have 2 pairs of gloves on. So you can take one off once they get too dirty. Now, this
Just
is kind
keep
of like
putting
an
more
art.
on.
Because you cannot use too much, especially acrylic, or else your resin turns to marshmallow and you can't do nothing with it. Drop your colors into your resin. Don't ever put your colors first. Okay, so I'm going to pop this in here, and the little popsicle sticks you can use to mix. Ooh. I don't know what 10% is. I just guess. So you can mix that and see.
This doesn't seem like that much product.
I know, but it goes a long way. Resin really does go a long, long way.
Okay, I think I'm done with that.
Then we're going to do a dirty pour. We're going to do a dirty pour. We're going to do a dirty pour into these cups. Do you want to do 2 or 3? Do you want to try 3 or 2?
3?
You want to try 3?
Yeah.
So we're going to. This is what's a dirty pour. Called a dirty pour.
Dirty pour.
You're going to pour into each cup. I should use white at the bottom. Did that too. Shit.
Whoops. Oh man, I'm gonna mess this up. It's gonna be so ugly. I can feel it. I'm terrible at this stuff.
Take your cup. We'll start there and then we'll do the middle. You
Okay.
can do the middle.
So
just kind of pour it and kind of swirl it as you pour it. Get going, girl.
oh, well, where do I start? Like right here?
This is not working.
It's mudding up together, isn't it?
Oh, yours looks nice.
Oh, this one's okay. This one's more red. I think we need more red.
Yeah, maybe.
Because it's more of the light. Because the white's not showing up at all. It just turned into whatever it's mixed with. Now, what? Lift.
You bet.
And,
Now I would go over this way a little bit and try and get this one over to...
oh my gosh. No, I don't like this. This is... It's ruining it.
No, it's not.
I don't want it to fall off on me. What do I do? Mom, you're a terrible teacher. You want the middle blob to touch the left blob?
Yes. It's getting there. It's getting there.
It's all falling off.
That's okay. That's okay. It's going to have to... Just let them meet and then do a different way. And then
Okay,
maybe...
they touched.
Okay. Now maybe come down to this. Maybe come down just a little bit towards you. Well, you have to come. Okay, bring it up and over a little bit.
Why can't we just do all black around it?
Well, we can. We can pour black around it. Just put it down and we'll pour black on it. Because
Well,
I have left over here.
now I have to get it back in the middle.
Oh, you're never going to get it back in the middle.
Oh, fine.
You can try.
No, no,
Tip it if you want.
no, it's okay. It's okay. The middle one looks okay. This one, yours sucks. Yours sucks now. It died. It kind of looks like space.
It does, actually.
It turned purple somehow. Not enough black. We need more black. You said it would go a long way.
It does go a long way. This is really thick. We have to thin this out a little bit because it's way too thick.
Okay.
We're gonna have to.
Okay. We'll tip it back this way
Okay, just wait.
because there's not anything up here. It just looks like glass on the camera. You can't even tell. I need like an aerial view, but I didn't bring my other tripod, so this is what you get.
Now take your fingers and spread that. Like spread it right to the edge of the thing. Okay, we need to heat gun it and get the bubbles out.
Bubbles.
Yep. There's bubbles in there, believe me, I can see them all over the place. Grab the heat gun
Okay.
and flick it on.
Like the the trigger?
Yep.
Where is it? Am I gonna hit you in the face?
Yeah, you probably have to flick it up.
Okay. Now what? Just go like this?
Yeah.
Where? On the bubbles?
Like everywhere, but don't hold it in one spot too long because you'll burn it.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm blow drying it. How long do I do this for? What?
Can you not see all the bubbles on there?
I guess,
You incompetent little bitch.
but you said to do it everywhere. Bloop. Bloop. Because you're popping the bubbles.
It's because we don't have enough. I thought we'd have lots of resin.
Yeah, you were all like,
Enough.
we're going to have more than needed.
Well, there usually is always more than needed. But this time, of course, there isn't. Just because.
This is my disaster.
That is not a disaster. It's very pretty.
Yours are much better.
No, this is pretty. I think it's pretty. It's making divots that we have to keep fixing here, mind you, but it's pretty.
All right. Couldn't you just use a blow dryer?
You can't just use a blow dryer.
It's so purple.
It is. Well, we tried. I've never...
It's not my aesthetic at all.
I know. That's okay. I'll keep it. We'll try again later. We'll try after this. We just know now. I've never done a ring pour before with this stuff. I've never even done a dirty pour with resin in my entire life. I always use separate colors when I do it.
This blob is gone. You killed it.
Shit balls.
Trying to have a family-friendly channel. I'm just kidding.
Sorry.
I'm just kidding. I'm not. That's no fun.
It's an old canvas that I actually washed the frickin' acrylic off it too, so.
You can do that?
Yes.
I see. So you didn't want to invest in me.
That's right. Because you wanted to do a tree ring pour, and I don't Besides those big honking canvases I have in the bedroom, that's all I have.
Just kidding.
And I thought it'd be better if we tried something for the first time that we did it on a smaller canvas.
My nose is so itchy. No, ow! Fucking
Sorry, I forgot about your nose
son of a bitch.
Sorry.
Nope. Now it's lodged weird in my nose.
Sorry. Do you want me to do something?
No, you've done enough.
Okay, just checking.
I think it's coming out of my nose. I can see it.
Oh, it is.
Don't touch it. Boo! Okay, I might cut here and just come back to when we're done doing this over and over again. Actually, I'll take a shot of what it looks like right now since we've done some more stuff to it. This is the mess here. So this is the end. I kind of forgot to film an outro. That's kind of the finished product before it's dry. It looks pretty much the same, so I'm not going to insert another clip because I'm too lazy. But I hope you enjoyed this video. My mom's going to hate me for it. I'm probably grounded. But I'll see you guys next time, hopefully soon. Bye!